It was a very different story today at Apple, which has regained a lot of its polish today. That's because Apple sold a staggering 9 million of its newest model iPhones over the opening weekend, nearly doubling analyst forecasts. The company even issued a more optimistic outlook for the current quarter. Take a look at how investors reacted. They sent shares about 5% higher today, $23 higher to be exact, at $490.64. Josh Lipton has more now on Apple's most successful iPhone debut yet.
Apple's stock moving higher in today's trade. It's after the company reported selling way more new iPhones than analysts had expected. Demand for the 5S with its new camera and fingerprint technology exceeding supplies. Also, 200 million downloads of iOS 7, that's Apple's new mobile operating system. Gene Munster of Piper Jaffray saying the report does answer some of the criticisms Apple had faced about the pace of its innovation.
There's been a lot of questions about innovation, and I think that they've addressed a lot of that just by the demand. You know, it's all about what's on the come, and it looks like they've got some good things on the come over the next year and a half.
With such strong numbers, Apple now telling investors to expect the higher end of its estimates for the fourth quarter on revenue and gross margins. This was a big beat for Apple. Analysts had estimated that the company would sell around 5 to 6 million devices. Amit Dayarnani of RBC says many analysts had thought there wouldn't be too much demand for the 5C and that supply constraints of the 5S would limit sales. But Dayarnani now says that worries about declining profit and sales next year are off the table. Apple's broader strategy, he says, focusing on profitability rather than market share, does seem to be working, at least for now. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Josh Lipton in San Jose.